History and development of atoms. So you may ask, what is an atom? So, atoms is the one that determines the chemical element, which are the tiny pieces of substance. An atom is made up of a core nucleus and one more or more negatively charged electrons that orbits it. Brief history about atoms. It all started in the 400 BC and was discovered by a scientist named Democritus. Democritus was a Greek philosopher who was the first person to use the term atom, or the Greek word atomos, meaning indivisible. He stated that all matter consists of atoms, which are bits of matter too small to be seen. There is an empty space between atoms. Atoms are completely solid. Atoms have no internal structure, and each atom of a different substance is different in size, weight, and shape. Historical development of atoms.
Dalton's model. The Dalton atomic theory atoms. According to Dalton, it could establish the multiple proportions law. The only way distinct atoms can be mixed to produce compounds is also only in integer quantities if one assumes that elements are comprised of the same type of indivisible particles which are identical in mass and all other attributes.
Thomson's model in 1897. Joseph John Thomson, who already identified the electron in 1897, a negatively charged component of every atom, was a staunch proponent of William Thomson's or Lord Kelvin. 1900s Thomson atomic model, the primary theoretical explanation of the interior atomic framework. Although Kelvin and others put forth a number of competing theories in 1900s, Thomson maintained that atoms are homogeneous orbs of positively charged substance with all incorporated electrons.
Bohr's model. In 1930, the atom was first conceptualized by Niels Bohr as having a central core with protons and neutrons orbited by electrons in shells. As was previously said, an element's number of protons and atomic number that separates it from the other elements and its number of electrons and are all related.
Geiger-Marsden experiment, 1909 to 1911. This experiment that put an end to the Planck-Faddeev model of the atom. So alpha particles, which are positively charged helium ions, were guided conventionally onto a sheet of extremely thin gold foil, and their deflection was observed.
So that is all for the presentation of Group 6. I hope that you enjoyed our video and thank you so much for watching.